Do you know the very best way to avoid being stressed out this Christmas? I can tell you it's the pre-planned shop. I am about to go and do mine for November. I usually do it at this time every year, and I buy all the things in advance for Christmas so I'm not fighting the little old ladies down at Woolies. So pre-planned shop, it's all in the ebook. The ebook is in the link below. Make sure you grab it, totally free, and it just helps you plan for the next sort of 8 weeks coming up to Christmas.
G'day everyone, it's Jody from Stay at Home Mum. It's an exciting time at the moment. It's November and that means the pre-planned shop, something that I save up for all year. So stay tuned, we're going to get everything in my trolley that expires after Christmas so that we're set. Let's go. Pavs are the very first thing. I always buy these every year. They're easy to decorate and make dessert just really simple. Cream, bit of passion fruit, done. Another thing that I get every year is the fruit mince pies because I don't have time to make them every year. Really like the summer fruit. They're really yummy and buttery and delicious. Super cute. I love getting the little things like this because you can wrap them and put them under the tree and they make really nifty little presents. Winning. Last year I didn't end up using this for Christmas. So I folded it through ice cream and it was amazing. So I'm only buying it for the ice cream this year. I buy my dad shortbread every single year. This one's really great. And another great thing just to pop under the tree. This is the Christmas pudding range and they have really yummy puddings this year. So this one is plum and port. This one is jewel blonde cherry, but my favourite is spiced gingerbread. Oh my God. I'll be buying this one. These are $10 each. I buy a heap every year and then we actually make these on Christmas Day with the kids. It's really good fun. They're pretty delicious too. Okay. Rumbles. Christmas pudding. Don't forget the little incidental things. Lemon juice, always handy, just chuck it in the cupboard. Passion fruit pulp. Once you've opened it, if there's still left over, chuck it in an ice cube tray and freeze it for later. Oh, don't forget about the kids either. Advent calendars. One for my husband as well. Candy canes because you can make them into drinks, you can make them into cheesecakes and you can hang them on the tree. And these are for all the kids that you may have forgotten to buy a present for. Really nifty just to throw in the trolley. Oh, and don't forget your hams. They're already in store. Delicious.
So usually I spread this shop over a couple of weeks coming up to Christmas, but because I'm doing it pre-planning and I wanted to show you a selection, remember to download the free ebook. We've attached it just in the links below. It is totally free and it just shows you how to get organised for Christmas because if you're organised, you won't stress out. So have a look, just things that you normally end up buying all the time. But if you get in early, just saves you so much drama. So I'm going to be enjoying these over the Christmas period. Check out the book. See you later.